Hey guys, this is Jamil and you are watching AutoCAD. In this video tutorial I will tell you that we have got a situation when we have to export some of our drawing data to Microsoft Excel or some other out of AutoCAD program for some reporting purpose. So basically what we need to do was these are the points, and we needed to export these X, Y, and Z values of these points to Microsoft Excel so we can make a list for reporting purpose for our site or whatever you can use. Here is some other data also. There are lines, and these are polylines, and here is a circle that we need to export to Excel also. So how we need to export this data to Excel? Let me tell you this one. Simply you have to go to Tools menu, and here is Data Extraction menu. You have to select it, or you can enter in the command line also Data Extraction. This window will open. The next thing you have to do is create a new data extraction. We will say next, and it will prompt for a new file that we have to create. We will say these are the points file that I'm going to make. I will save it, and here it is asking, shall I make everything in the list, or it is some selective objects. I will select some of the objects by clicking here. I will click only the points and this data. There is some other data in my drawing, but for now I'm looking for this data only. I will hit enter and next. Here it is listing all of the data, whatever it is, what kind of drawing objects there are that I have selected. There are circles, and there are points and polylines. You can select this all. So you have to check these things. You have to match these things as per this one, so you will not have any problem. Just simply hit next, and it will list all of the data according to this one. You can uncheck from here, and you will see there are some changes. I don't need 3D visualization, I don't need drawing, I don't need general, I need only geometry, and geometry means I don't need area, center X, center Y. I need for circle also, I need the circumference of circle, diameter, global width I don't need. I need length of lines that I have selected, and X, Y, and Z position, and radius of the circle. I will hit next, and it will make a table, and it will show everything. What it is a point, and whatever are the properties of those points, it will show everything. You can check here, combine identical rows. I don't need to combine, or we can combine also, like points will be combined, and then circles, then lines, and I don't need to count the columns and show name column. No need. Otherwise, if you want to show it, that's okay. Say hit next, and here are two options: whether you want to insert data extraction table in the drawing, in the current drawing, or you want to export as Excel, as .csv or mdb or text file on anywhere on desktop or wherever you want. You can save it. When you hit next, it will ask you which type of table you're trying to use. Simply hit next and finish. It's extracting the data, and now it's asking specify insertion point. Here it is. It is very small. I have to scale it. See, enter. I will scale it bigger so it will be visible according to the other data. You can see here there was a point, and its center X value is this, Y is this, Z value is 0, its circumference is this much. Whatever all of the points are, all of the points are also listed, and there are polylines also with the length properties. Okay, now one thing, very interesting thing that I must tell you here, if I change some of the values over here, like I'm changing the length of these lines and radius of these circles, and I am moving some of the points. If I move it, it will be updated here, if you can see. When I will see here, I just simply hit RE and everything will be updated according to the new data set. If I click here, data link, update all data links, just check here, the things will be updated. Right click here, update all data links, see, it's all updated as per new drawing settings. So this is how we can export our data in AutoCAD. Simply, it is same in here also. The same data is exported on my desktop also. If I open this file, that same data is here also. That's it. So this is how you can export data to Microsoft Excel and in AutoCAD as well. So thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Allah Hafiz.